I have been believing that UDA and the Kenya Kwanza supporters elected incompetent and useless members or representatives until my group of ODM have shown me their true colors. I've realized that I voted for idiots who can be given, hata wanaweza ambiwa kula mavi tukupe pesa, and they will eat. From number one, I voted for Raila Odinga, the number one idiot who can sell anything, who can sell you for any price, so long as apate kilicho chake. Second thing, in Nairobi nilipigia kura maraya mwingine mzee anaitwa Pasaris. That woman is I regret. As much as I regret voting for Sakaja, who made me jobless mpaka leo hii, but I regret voting for ODM. At least Sifuna, I can give you benefit of doubt that you will not change. By the rest of ODM, most ODM members from Roland, those people, truly they don't reason. Sahi wanaramba matako ya William Ruto kama asali. Nairobi, I made a mistake voting for Sakaja, who ended up making me a jobless person. But for Sakaja, tutamulipisha tu, siku zinakuja. Sakaja must go. Haina option. But ile nilipigia Raila mara 3. Nilipigia Raila kura mara 3. 2017 mara 2. 2022 mara 1. Hiyo ng'ombe inatuambia kila siku ni reforms. But anaenda up kufanya what we are fighting for. How we are fighting against. Walai. ODM nimetoka na hakuna kuangalia nyuma. ODM tumetoka.